So what are the basic requirements for these tricks? So the first thing that you need to have is that micro SD card. It can be anything: 16 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, or maybe even 256 gigabytes. It depends upon you and your user experience, how much you going to need as a storage or as an internal storage. For the demonstration purpose, I'm been using the 16 gigabytes of micro SD card. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to go to your settings. Once you reach there, you want to find the tab called storage. If you already inserted your memory card or SD card, you will find this option called SD card. Just simply click on it. Then you want to click on this three dotted icon and then go to the settings. Now here is the option called as format as internal storage. This option actually, or this feature actually, can enable your memory card or SD card to use as internal storage. So just simply click on it. Now don't worry, just click on erase and format. Make sure that you have backup your SD card so you don't have any data loss. Now wait for some of the movements until it gets ready. Now as you can see the option what's so called the move now or move later. You can do it as later, so I'm just clicking on the move later option and selecting next, and you are good to go. Your SD card is now as internal storage. As you can see here, the device storage is used 6.91 gigabytes out of 30.66 gigabytes. That's a whole lot of storage, and as I already said, I have used 16 gigabytes of memory card for the demonstration purpose, but you can use even more, like 256 gigabytes. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video then be sure to subscribe to our channel and also hit a thumbs up button right below, and see you guys in the next one.